Okay, students, so far we discussed about we learnt, and with a few examples also we have discussed. Now I can easily represent this union and intersection by using Venn diagram. This is the representation of a set in Venn diagram. Okay, I'll just move on to the Venn diagram representation here for both union and intersection. First, I'll discuss about a intersection. You can see here A and B are the two disjoint sets. If I want to apply intersection, when I apply intersection of these two sets, A has some set of all elements, B has some elements. This intersection of elements will comes in this region. Got it? This is the elements of A, the common elements of both A and B, which comes under intersection. So intersection of elements A and B. Even you can see the examples also. Say whenever set A is equal to some elements, you can list it out for the intersection as we discussed in earlier definition. A is equal to 1 2 3 you take, and B is equal to some example, say 2 3 4. Now the common elements of both A and B is obviously 2 3. You can easily observe 2 3 is a common element. That 2 3 will comes under this region. This is A 1 2 3. This is B 2 3 4. This is the middle 2 3 we can observe. Okay, that is a idea of intersection of two sets. In case, remember, in case A and B are two disjoint sets. See, the word disjoint is meant for different sets. A and B disjoint means there is no common element between A and B. A has some element which those elements are not in B. Therefore, A and B are completely different. A and B are completely disjoint. If A and B are two disjoint sets, if this A and B, in case if it does not have any common element, then intersection is empty. Therefore, we can remember usually the intersection of two disjoint sets as are always empty set. Okay, A and B are two disjoint sets, you remember, then intersection is an empty set. That we can remember for the definition of intersection. Okay, next we move on to another example. A is equal to 1 2 3 and B is equal to 2 3 4. Here you can observe the union. So this is set A is 1 2 3, set B 2 3 4. Together you can observe union. Here element 1 will be there, here 2 3 will be there, because 2 3 is present both in A as well as in B. Therefore 2 3 will comes in this intersection region, and B is 2 3 4. 4. A contain 1, B contain 4. This region contains 2 3, because which is present both in A as well as B. But A union B is collection of all the elements. Therefore, you can observe here we have shaded all the region. Those 1 2 3 4 present in the entire region. So A and B, the union is 1 2 3 4. Okay, that you can observe as a union of the two sets. See, by using this Venn diagram, I can also represent the subset and superset, which we have discussed in the last class. I had just shown how we can represent union and intersection. Similarly, by using Venn diagram, I can also represent the concept of subset and superset. Can you observe from this diagram which is a subset and which is superset? There's a very clear visible, it's so clearly visible to identify the concept of subset and superset. Students, here A, set A is subset of set B. Can you observe this? Set A is a subset of set B, because A is contained in B, I can say. A is contained in B. Okay, A is contained in B, A is a subset of B. Similarly, if you observe the further part of the Venn diagram, as I said, A is contained in B, but B is not contained in A. Instead, I can say A is contained in B. That same representation can be done. This is another symbol to indicate that contained. Okay, one of the good example to explain the concept of subset and superset is a number system. It's a very good example to represent this. All of you know well, natural number is a subset of whole number. Am I right or wrong? Natural number is a subset of whole number. Then the whole concept of this natural and whole number is a subset of rational number, we can observe, because natural number contain only positive numbers 1 2 3 4 5 etc., not 0, not negative, whole number including 0, and this rational numbers, all negative p by q form, all will contain. The numbers which are not rational is irrational. Okay, the whole rational, irrational together. See, natural is a subset of whole number. This is a subset of rational. Number which are not rational is irrational. But all these numbers together involving in real number. Therefore, superset is real number, subset is natural, and the next whole number, next rational, irrational, and all. This is one of the beautiful examples example to explain the concept of subset and superset. Okay, so this, by using Venn diagram we can explain all these things, right? This is the idea of Venn diagram to represent union and intersection as well as the subset and superset concept.